You've never seen light like this. What if I told you the ocean has its own natural glow sticks, and they're alive? Bioluminescence is when living things literally make their own light. It's how fireflies flirt, how jellyfish scare predators, and how deep-sea fish hunt in the dark. But get this. Most of Earth's bioluminescent creatures live in the ocean, where sunlight never reaches. That glow? It's caused by a chemical reaction inside their bodies. And here's the wild part. You can swim in glowing water. Therefore, some beaches around the world light up when you touch them, like the oceans waving back. One glowing plankton is tiny, but together, they can light up an entire bay. And the best part? No one really knows why they glow.